Hey everyone, my name is Max Du. This summer, I want to join LaunchX to make real impact through innovation and entrepreneurship. Why am I the one to do it? I am an innovator. I innovated the first indoor rescue drone to help save cardiac arrest patients. I am honored to be a shortlist candidate to represent Team Canada at ICEF this year. To turn idea into product, I persevere through redesigning, retesting, and failing. To optimize the drone, I challenge myself to learn university-level AI and engineering. I'm a changemaker. I started the first high school digital talent association in Canada. Soon scaled up as an NPO, Youth Digital Talent teams up students worldwide to develop digital solutions for nonprofits and small businesses. I am a leader. As the captain of my FDC team, I make sure that all voices are heard. I drive to achieve the best. I am a national level marksman, doing my best to make an impact. Changemakers at LaunchX. Let's start a company together to better people's lives. This is Max Du, and I will see you in the summer.